Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $200 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $200, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. SJRC F11S 4K Pro GPS Drone. SJRC F11S 4K Pro GPS Drone 4K Professional 5G Wi-Fi 2-axis gimbal drone with camera 3K MRC foldable brushless quadcopter. Brushless motor, strong power, long life controlled with one hand, travel light. 11.1 volts 2500 mAh large capacity, real-time display of power, long battery life and easy replacement. Through the app, tap the gesture camera mode, just one gesture to complete the photo. In the GPS positioning mode, control the aircraft to flat a distance of 5 meters from the controller, turn on the app follow function. The aircraft can automatically follow the controller's movement and take pictures. Take the remote control as the center to fly around, turn on the aerial photography function, and shoot handsome videos. Number 2. S155 GPS Professional Drone 5000M. The obstacle avoidance model has added 360 degrees obstacle avoidance function and 4-sided obstacle avoidance function, GPS mode and optical flow mode, dual mode 5G relay with 6 channels and gyroscope, brushless motor, stable flight, easy operation, 8K high-definition photography. The body can be inserted with a storage card paired with a 3-axis gimbal. The front lens can be adjusted for multiple angles through the remote control, providing a more comprehensive viewing experience. Can carry a load of 500 grams 3800 mAh high-capacity battery with a range of 30 minutes 6000 meters ultra-long remote control distance. Taking photos, recording and real-time transmission, emergency stop, trajectory flying, one-click surround, intelligent following, adding music, rotating the screen, displaying aircraft position. Number 3. CFLY Faith Mini Drone. CFLY Faith Mini Drone, 230 grams, foldable drone, small size, easy to carry. GPS positioning. Under GPS mode, when the aircraft receives the signal from satellites, it will position where it is. Optical flow positioning. It captures image data with the drone's bottom camera, then uses the optical flow to improve the smoothness of the control. 5G Wi-Fi FPV. 1080p videos and 4K photos, with real-time transmission. 4K HD camera gimbal. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky, also with 3-axis brushless gimbal, helping the drone record vibration-free footages. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Point of interesting flight. Choose one point, then tee the drone, fly in a circle around a set waypoint and make sure you will get panorama pictures and video. Number 4. LAUMOX KF101 Max S GPS Drone. The use of more anti-shake L's electronic stabilization and vibration reduction and 3-axis mechanical gimbal blessing, remote-controlled escape camera and GPS positioning system, 8K film-level imaging system, enough to let you create freely. Upgraded 5G plus repeater map transmission system is enough to let you enjoy flying with smooth and clear real-time transmission images, allowing you to enjoy the view from afar anytime, anywhere. The camera automatically keeps steady at all times. The lens has a built-in ELS electronic anti-shake system, which can effectively eliminate shaking caused by flying and make the aerial photography more clear. The new generation of flight system, using GPS positioning system, allows you to easily and stably fly wherever you are, flying better and taking better pictures. Number 5. L800 Pro 2 Drone. L800 Pro 2 Drone 4K Professional Camera 3-Axis Gimbal GPS 5G Wi-Fi FPV Drone Obstacle Avoidance RC Quadcopter Adult Toys. 1 key GPS return to the takeoff point. Low battery return. No signal return. Identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make a camera gesture. Camera gesture facing the camera. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Find the center point of circling, and then move the desired circling radius through the joystick. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times continuously to open the map interface, and the map will display the final distance, latitude and longitude position of the aircraft. Single or multiple selections can be selected to share photos, and videos can only be shared individually each time. 4K adjustable camera, 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal plus electronic stabilization and anti-shake plus laser obstacle avoidance. 7.6 volts plug-in smart lithium battery.